Hi everybody, can you hear me? Can you see me? Hi Rishabh, hi Rizwan, hi Nirmai. I am getting the noise perfectly wise. You let me know how is it going. If you just message me in the chat section so I know it. Hi Rizwan, hello Tamanna, hi Aryan Verma, hello. Okay, hi beautiful people, can you hear me? Can you see me? Yes. Hello. Hi Kanishk, hello. Peekaboo, Hardik Gupta. Yes. Perfect. Okay, so when I'm looking down or somewhere else, it means I'm looking at your screen of chats. Yes, hi everybody, if you're seeing me for the very first time, I am Bhavana Bisht, yes, and I teach on Unacademy and Unacademy Plus. So what are we? Yes, why not? So today we are going to do a topic from the chapter Control and Coordination, and the topic that we'll be covering is hormones in animals. Okay, is that clear, everybody? Now we will also have a Menti quiz. So we are going to study for, let's say, around half an hour, and half an hour we are going to do the Menti. Okay, the code for Menti quiz is 73306688. Okay, hi Kanish, 6th standard, oh my god. Okay, welcome to the session everybody. So shall we get to studying? So we'll study for 30 minutes basically, and then we will move on to the Menti quiz. Any doubts? Do we have any doubts? Yes Kanishk, you can attend this. If you understand, it is absolutely amazing. Okay, so today we are going to cover the hormones in animals part of the chapter Control and Coordination. Okay, so we are going to begin. Now when I say hormones, okay, because everywhere you see in the topic today, it's all about hormones in animals, animal hormones. ये होता क्या है यार hormones? मतलब are they very necessary for our body, and where do they come from? How are they present in our body, right? So hormones are nothing but chemicals. Like every other thing inside our body is made up of chemicals. Hormones are also made up of chemicals, right? No Kanishk, we'll be doing the Menti after half an hour. It has showed question. Menti started already. Let me just check. Still now, can you see the Menti? Till now, can you see the Menti? Please let me know in the chat section. Now not. Ma'am, now okay? Is it showing the question still, or it's done? No, ma'am. Can't see the question? Perfect. Thank you. So what are hormones, everybody? Yes. So hormones are nothing but chemicals. Like all other things in our body, they are also chemicals. But these chemicals, now for example, if you want chocolate, yes, will you ever come to me and ask for a chocolate? Because I don't own a shop of chocolate, right? आप एक दुकान में जाओगे, you'll go to a particular shop and you'll be like, give me some chocolate, yeah. Yes, and they are going to give you the chocolate. But if you go to a person who is not even selling chocolates, they are not going to give you chocolates. They'll be like, hey, wrong dukan, huh? See the heading of the shop ne, right? So produced by specialized glands. So what are glands? Glands are basically structures in our body who secrete hormone directly into the bloodstream. Like these hormones, whatever they are secreted directly into the bloodstream, and therefore this is how we get the hormones. Okay, now when I talk about hormones, it is not necessary. Hormones might be secreted from somewhere else. For example, let's say hormones are secreted by the brain in the pituitary gland. Okay, let's assume that they are secreted in the brain. But is it necessary? Is it necessary that they work in the brain itself? No. वो produce कहीं भी हो सकते हैं. They can be produced anywhere, but they will be used. They will be used in a different location. For example, all the chocolates that are there might be produced in Dehradun, for example, but they are marketed, they are sold all over India, right? So production एक जगह है, but consumption कहीं भी हो सकता है. Similarly, hormones might be produced somewhere, but उनका जो effect है can happen anywhere in the body, okay, wherever they are specified to do. Clear? Okay, Vrishab Lahoti, Krish will open in 30 minutes, basically now 20 minutes. Okay, so today we are going to touch upon some endocrine glands of our body, and you can see a list of many endocrine glands on the screen. So we have the pituitary gland, the master gland, then we have the pineal, hypothalamus, thyroid, parathyroid, thymus, pancreas, adrenal, and testis and ovary. So in this session we are going to be covering pituitary, thyroid, pancreas, adrenal, and testis and ovary. These are the glands that are present in our syllabus, and this is what we are going to focus on. Okay? Okay? Yes? Chalo. So when I say yaar ye kya hai, endocrine glands kya hai? So glands are what? They are producing hormones. Endocrine कब क्या होता है? जब वो directly hormones को bloodstream में secrete कर देते हैं. So the blood is going throughout our body. So उसको ट्रेन का टिकट खरीदने की भी जरूरत नहीं है, because उसको फुकट में ट्रांसपोर्टेशन मिल रहा है. That is happening through the bloodstream in our body, right? So the hormones are then taken to the specific target organ. As I told you, the hormone might be produced anywhere in the body, right? But uska target will be a specific hormone, a specific organ in our body. So the site of production, site of action of the hormones are different. This line is very, very important. The site of production and site of action for hormones are very different. Okay? Hi Tanush Arora, hello. Hi everybody, whoever is new to the session. We are going to study for 15 minutes more, and then we are going to go and do a Menti quiz. Okay, so stay connected. Now the growth hormones, basically the hormones that we are going to study today, are on the screen. So first is the growth hormone. We have insulin, testosterone, adrenaline, and some releasing hormones that is directly from the pituitary gland, right? And what are their functions, which gland releases them, where do they go and act, everything we are going to see. Okay, hi Ashi Mishra, hello. Okay, now these as I told you, there are some glands that are very important to us, and these are the positions of the glands in the male and the female body. Okay, yes. So now, can you see the pituitary gland? This is the master gland. Then we have thyroid gland, which is present over here in the throat. Then below it you have the thymus. Then we have the pituitary gland. No, sorry, the pancreas. Where the pancreas, you can see. Can you see the pancreas? Yes. And then we have the testis in males, and we have the ovary in female. And we are going to look at all these glands and what do they secrete and what is their function. Okay. Hi Adarsh. Hi Anita Devi. Hello. Okay. Oh. Guys, have you ever come to this situation in your life? Have you ever come to this situation in your life where you are encountered with a wild beast? Like a lion or something? Have you? Please let me know in the comment section. I would love to know. Okay, it might not be a lion, but any robbers or thieves or gang members? Anything like that? Ever happened to you? Or just imagine, what would you do if you ever encounter a lion? And the lion is like, "Aaj to bhai main teko chhodunga nahi." Yes. And they are running behind you. So what are you going to do? Are you going to wait and fight, or are you going to run for your life? What are you going to do? अगर आपके पीछे lions पड़ गए ऐसे तो आप क्या करने वाले हो? I saw lions in a dream. That's nice. Hi, Mr. Photon. Hello. चलो बोलो 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 बोलो. What if a bunch of lions just... Are you going to fight, or are you going to fight the lions like a Bollywood superhero? Yes, I have already... Okay, Tanuj says I will fight and others says I will flight. Wow. We'll fight with him. Oh, Hardik. I will fight with the lion. Nice. But do you know... क्या body building करते हो? Do you go to the gym and you're like, ha, I'm preparing to fight the lion? No, you never do that, right? But if it is challenging you, you might be like, I might give it a chance, or you might run for your life, right? तो ये अचानक से in the moment इतनी सारी energy, इतना सारा guts कहाँ से आता है भाई? हाँ, कहाँ से आता है? So have you seen your kidneys? Have you see? Oh, thank you, Tanish. Oh, Bruce Lee. Wow. So over the kidneys, can you see this mountain-like structure? Can you see this mountain-like structure over the kidneys? Everybody? Oh, Ahmed says I have very much courage. Nice. So we all have kidneys, right? I hope आपने iPhone खरीदने के लिए kidney बेच नहीं दी है अभी तक. So our kidneys are the shape of rajmas. Rajma चावल अगर आपको पसंद है तो आपको पता होगा. Rajmas are nothing but also called as kidney beans, right? So over our kidneys we have a mountain-like structure like this. Okay, like a triangular structure like this, and this triangular structure is called as the adrenal gland. What is this called as? This is called as the adrenal gland, right? And through this adrenal gland we have the secretion of an hormone that is called as the adrenaline. Okay, and this adrenaline is the one which gives you that extra pump of energy that you require to either fight or flight whenever your life is in danger. Okay, so as I told you, अभी ये produce कहाँ पे हो रहा है? It is getting produced in the adrenal gland, but इसका जो action है, right, it is going to happen on the heart. Okay, so its target organ is who? It is heart. In thumbnail it's me only, don't worry. ठीक है? So अब how many of you fear ghosts? Do you fear ghost, everybody? Do you fear ghost? भूत से डर लगता है? Yes. Or you fear any reptile like cockroach? Ooh. Or do you fear lions or robbers? We fear somebody or the other, right? And at that moment, don't you think अचानक से ऐसे दिल की धड़कन तेज होने लगती है, धुप 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 धुप, right? And you are ready to fight or flight, right? So why does that happen? Because the adrenaline ka concentration in your body is getting increased. Your heart starts to beat faster. The blood that was just lying around going into your digestive systems everywhere is now all transferred to your skeletal muscles, that is your hands and your legs. Why? क्योंकि अगर flight करना है तो भागने के लिए क्या चाहिए? ताकत चाहिए, right? You need a lot of blood supply, and that is why the blood of our digestive system is reduced and it is transferred to the skeletal muscles, so it helps you to run. Yes. Also your breathing rate increases. Right? So why does that happen? Because you require more oxygen in your body to deal with the situation, and all of this happens due to the secretion of one hormone, and that is adrenaline, right? So कभी भी आपके सामने कुछ चोर आ गए, कुछ lions आ गए, and if you are ready to fight or flight, you always remember कि आपके साथ adrenaline हमेशा रहेगा. Yes. So do we understand this? Oh, Tanush, thank you. Lion, no, but cockroach. Oh, okay, Mr. Photon. Okay, so do we understand adrenaline? Do we understand adrenaline, everybody? Yes. So let's move on to the next one. Ooh, have you seen this? नहीं देखा होगा, I guess. Okay, so this is a situation where what happens is कि the basically this throat region over here swells up. And why does that happen? Because in the same region we have something called as the thyroid gland. What do we have? We have something called as the thyroid gland. Okay, perfect, got it. So now through the thyroid gland we have a hormone which is called as thyroxine, which is released. And for the thyroxine to release, you need to require a very important element in your body, and that is iodine, right? Have you seen the advertisement, iodized namak? क्या आपकी टूथपेस्ट में नमक है? पहले टूथपेस्ट का नमक is not necessary, but नमक में iodine is very necessary. And why is that so? Because iodine is ultimately necessary to make the thyroxine hormone. And why is thyroxine hormone so necessary? Because over here it regulates, basically आपके शरीर का जो मेटाबॉलिज्म है वो रेगुलेट करता है thyroxine. आपका digestion, how fast it is getting digested, how slow it is getting digested, is all due to the thyroxine hormone, right? So it metabolizes carbohydrates, proteins and fats, and it gives you the best balanced growth possible. Yes, but अगर iodine की कमी हो गई, hi Sunny Kumar, no dear, I am not. So अगर iodine की कमी हो गई diet में, so what will happen? You might have goiter, and goiter leads to the inflammation of the thyroid hormone, and as you can see over here, the neck region just swells up. Yes, it might also lead to increase in body weight or decrease in body weight. Okay, clear? छोटू जी, lambu ji. Have you ever imagined why in the world do we have the world's smallest person and the world's tallest person? Like ये height होती भी क्यों है? Like who is the one regulating all of this, and why do some people are extremely tall and some people are extremely short? Why does that happen, right? So that happens due to a very amazing hormone. And what is that hormone? That hormone is a growth hormone. As the name suggests, it is a growth hormone जो directly secrete होता है by the pituitary gland. Okay, and where is the pituitary gland present, everybody? You remember the position of the pituitary gland? Yes. So this is where your pituitary gland is present, just, okay? So this is where your pituitary gland is present, and your growth hormone is directly released from the pituitary gland. Okay, so आपके body का height, your development, your growth is all due to this growth hormone, right? And the deficiency, if you have less, like you are receiving less than the required concentration of growth hormone, then it will lead to dwarfism. What do you mean by dwarfism? Have you heard the story of Snow White and the 7 dwarfs? Have you ever listened to the story of Snow White and the 7 dwarfs? Yes, Nirmal. Ever heard of that? Snow White and 7 dwarfs. सुना है कि नहीं सुना है? Yes, so that 7 dwarfs are people with extremely small height, cute people, and those are called as dwarfs, right? Why? Because the growth hormone का deficiency हो गया है body में, जिसकी वजह से उनकी height कभी बढ़ ही नहीं पाई. They remained small, okay? But if there is excess of growth hormone released in your body, you are going to be very tall, and that is called as gigantism. That is called as gigantism. Okay, if you become like this tall or very tall, like, okay, so that is why hi Shubhra, hello, absolutely, I remember you. Okay, yes, and now we move on to the part which we have already studied a lot of times in our syllabus, right? Hi Adarsh. Hello. Yes, Shubhra dear, I remember you. Do not spam, please. Yes. Okay. Now, yes. So we have studied this already, right? We boys and girls, everybody undergoes some body changes when we reach the age of let's say 14, 15, 13, right? This is where we are hitting puberty. Yes, and in both girls and boys we see some body changes that are happening, like we see underarm hair growth, breast growth, hip growth, pubic hair, menstruation that is starting in females, and whereas in males we see facial hair is growing, voice is changing, there are underarm hairs, there are pubic hairs, ejaculation starts to happen. All of these changes that happen as soon as you hit puberty. किसी ने फोन करके बोला था क्या? Oh, now ना get their body ready for puberty, हाँ? ये सब होना चाहिए. Does anybody call? No, right? It started happening because there are two hormones in the body that are released. Basically, one hormone each. So there is the hormone testosterone, which is released in males, and estrogen, which is released in females, which leads to the changes, the appearance changes that happens as soon as you hit puberty. Yes, so basically these are all what? These are all changes that happen towards attaining sexual maturity. So all human beings are ready to reproduce, right? So all of this starts when we hit puberty, around 10 to 13 years of age, and all of these changes happen. So are these changes happening automatically? No. So the testes, that is the testicles, release the male hormone, that is the testosterone. Yes. And the female hormone, that is in the ovaries. Through ovaries, the female hormone estrogen is getting released, and these are the ones that are responsible for all of these changes in males and females. Understood? Is that clear, everybody? Yes. And next we move on to the last one for today, and that is diabetes. Have you heard the term diabetes before? क्या आपने डायबिटीज पहले सुना है? Yes, no, in the chat section please. Okay, have you seen people who are like, यार नहीं ना, मैं मिठाई नहीं खा सकता, मैं राइस भी नहीं खा सकता because मुझे ना डायबिटीज है. Like, what is diabetes at one point? Yes, so whenever we eat food, especially food which is very, very, very high in sugar, तो वो आप क्या करते हो? Whatever you eat enters your blood, right? And can we have lot of sugar in our blood? Can we have lot of sugar in our blood? Then the answer is no, we cannot have it, right? So, and if we have a lot of sugar in our blood, that leads to a disease that is called as diabetes, right? So why does everybody not have diabetes, right? It is because we have pancreas. We have an organ that is called as pancreas, and they release an hormone which is called as the insulin. What do they release? They release a hormone that is called as insulin, right? So as soon as आप कुछ खाते हो, आपका blood sugar level high होने लगता है, वैसे ही pancreas secretes this hormone that is called as insulin. और insulin क्या करता है? Blood में boom करके entry करता है, and it starts to reduce the amount of sugar that is present in your blood, and it makes it come down to an acceptable range of sugar in your body. Understood? So if ever ये जो insulin का secretion है ये ऊपर नीचे हो गया, that is when diabetes happen. If insulin is not getting secreted at all and blood sugar level कम ही नहीं हो रहा है कभी, then that is when we say that people are suffering through diabetes. Yes, Nirmal Sethi. Now if you want to go in detail, so in pancreas there are specialized type of cells that secrete insulin. Okay, they are called as islets of Langerhans, but that is not there in your portion. But if you want to remember, you can remember. Okay, so basically you can say that insulin is there to regulate the blood sugar levels. Is that clear? Hi Aparajita, hello. Is this clear, everybody? Yes. So मैम इतने सारे hormones है, तो हमको पता कैसे चलेगा कि क्या हमेशा secrete होते रहेंगे? Or will they ever stop? Yes. So they do stop, and that is called as the feedback mechanism. For example, जैसे ही blood में blood sugar level बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया, what is going to happen? What is going to happen? yes, insulin will start coming in, and जैसे ही insulin is removing all the excess sugar that is there in your body, and as soon as it starts to come to normal, तो वापस वहाँ पे सिग्नल जाएगा पैनक्रियास को, नाउ स्टॉप द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ इंसुलिन, क्योंकि जो ब्लड शुगर लेवल है वो नॉर्मल आ चुका है. yes, so this is called as feedback mechanism. You're letting it happen, and as soon as normal standard पे आ जाता है, you stop the mechanism. Understood? So that is called as feedback mechanism. Okay, for example, I'm teaching and I'm asking you, are you understanding? Yes, क्या आपको समझ आ रहा है? And if you say yes, I will keep on teaching, right? But if you say no, I will wait and I will teach you again, right? So I'm working on the feedback that I am receiving. Similarly, ये जो hormones है, ये भी ऐसे ही काम करते हैं, right? So if the sugar levels have come to normal, the insulin production will stop through pancreas. वापस बढ़ेगा तो वापस शुरू होगा, कम होगा तो बंद हो जाएगा, right? So they are working on whatever feedback they are getting from the blood. Understood? Is that clear, everybody? Yes. So testes in the male secrete testosterone for secondary growth, that is the reproductive growth, and ovary in the female secrete estrogen for the secondary development in the body. Okay, so this is what we have studied all today. So if you have any doubts, please let me know. Otherwise, we'll move on to Menti. You can let me know your doubts in the comment section. If not, then we will move on to Menti. So we have already studied that pancreas क्या करते हैं? They secrete insulin to promote glucose absorption in cells and formation of glycogen. If you're wondering what is glycogen, so whatever carbohydrates जो हम खाते हैं, right? Whatever carbohydrates we eat, they are digested to give us glucose. But क्या हम जितना बॉडी को चाहिए उतना ही खाते हैं? नहीं, we always overeat, right? हम ज़्यादा खा लेते हैं, तो ग्लूकोज ज़्यादा प्रोड्यूस हो जाता है. So glucose in our body is stored in the form of glycogen. Okay, then we have adrenal. Adrenal glands secrete adrenal, that is in response to the emotions. Adrenaline is also called as the emergency hormone because वो blood supply को increase कर देता है of the heart, and the rate of breathing also increases. Then we have the growth hormone that is secreted by the pituitary gland. Yes, अगर वहाँ पे कम निकला, if we have less of growth hormone in our body, we will go suffer through dwarfism, and if there is lot of growth hormone in our body, तो हम gigantism suffer करेंगे. That is very tall height. Yes, the thyroid gland secretes a hormone called as thyroxine, जो metabolize करता है carbohydrate, fat और proteins को, and deficiency of iodine can lead to goiter. Okay, is that clear, everybody? चलो then, let's move on to Menti, everybody. So the Menti code for today is 73306688. So if you have joined Menti, please let me know. Okay, and if you are very new and you don't know how to join Menti, so basically you have to go to your any browser. It can be Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, whatever you like. Just type in menti.com. Okay, as soon as you type that, the first thing that you get, just click on that and Mentimeter आ जाएगा. वहाँ पे आपको code डालना है, and this is the code that you will enter, that is 73306688, and click on submit and you will be taken to the quiz. So if you have joined Menti, please let me know in the chat section. If you have joined Menti, please let me know in the chat section. Okay. Yes, Sunny, I prefer to speak in English or teach in English basically. Okay, now can you join the quiz? Now can we join the quiz, everybody? The code is 73306688. Just refresh. I think some of you have already joined. Perfect. Come on, everybody, join in. Come on, come on, come on. Very good, Vishesh. Are you Vishesh a keen learner? We have 15 questions. Let's make 15 participants. Oh, hi. Cat smiling one. As soon as we have 15 students, we'll get started. So everybody who's here, please go and join Menti because the code is 73306688. Come on. I am fire. Okay. Last two kids. Come on. One more. The code is 73306688. Everybody who's here, please go and join the Menti quiz. That is what we are going to do right now. Ready? Let's move on. What body system is the brain part of? What body system is the brain part of? Look at your screens if you want to give answers which are absolutely fast. The nervous system, the circulatory system, the decimal system, or the digestive system? What do you think? The brain is part of which system? Everybody, come on. And the time's up. Let's see. Perfect answer. The brain is part of the nervous system. Absolutely correct. Let's see the very first leaderboard for today. So we have Prati, Modi ji versus Bhavana Bisht. Hi. So we have Lollipop, then we have Hardik Bisht, and then we have Ahmed Raiz, Mohammed, Anshita Gupta, Rizwan from Kashmir, Nirmai Sete, future biologist, Vishesh Pandey, Kanishk, and Sunny are the top 10 on the leaderboard. And Prachi has given us the absolute fastest answer. Congratulations, buddy. Moving on to the next question for today. That is the 12th question for today. Let's move. Last 20 seconds. Which of the following hormones are responsible for just such changes during puberty? The answer can be multiple, okay? There are multiple answers in this question. So I hope you are marking accordingly. There are multiple answers in this question. Perfect. अरे भैया जी आप estrogen को भूल गए क्या? Testosterone in males and estrogen in females, right? Hi Vikas Singh, we have just started with Menti. It would be very amazing if you could join us there. And let's see who has given us the correct answer. So we have Lola giving us the fastest answer, followed by Ahmed Raiz, by Hardik Bisht, Mary Rizwan, Anshita Gupta, Nirmai Sete, Kanishk, Sunny, Prachi, and Vishesh are the top 10 on the leaderboard. And Lola has given us the absolute correct answer, the fastest. Very good. Moving on to the next question. Hi Abhishek Hiremat, hello, welcome to the session. You can join us on Menti using the code 73306688. What is the role of insulin in the body? Hi Mr. Photon. What is the role of insulin in the body? Insulin lowers the level of sugar in the blood. Insulin increases the level of sugar in the blood. Insulin prevents the absorption of sugar from the intestine. Hi Vikas Singh, or none of the above. Mr. Photon, join us on Menti. Yes. The correct and the absolutely correct answer, it lowers the level of sugar in the blood. Watermelon sugar. So who do we have here? Hi, Sir Mori Vlogs. Hello. So we have Lola, Ahmed Raiz Mahmood. Then we have Hardik, Bish, Nirmai, Rizwan, Anshita, Kanishk, Sunny and Kanish, Santosh, and the great Adarsh are the top 10 on the leaderboard. And Nirmai has given us the fastest answer. Congratulations, buddy. Let's move on to the next question. That is the fourth question for today. The tallest man of height 8 feet 11 inches. This abnormal height was due to oversecretion of growth hormone. Which gland in human body secretes this hormone? Which hormone in the body secretes the growth hormone? Absolutely correct answer. The pituitary gland in the body secretes the growth hormone that really does the wonders of height. Okay. So we have Nirmai Sethi, future biologist, followed by Mir Rizwan from Kashmir, Anshita Gupta, Hardik Bisht. Then we have Kanishk, Sunny, Lola, Ahmed Raiz Mahmood, Santosh, and the great Adarsh are the top 10 on the leaderboard. And Nirmai, Anshita Gupta has given us the fastest answer. Hi, buddy, congratulations. Let's move on. Everybody who is new, you can still join us on Menti using the code 73306688 because we have just started. We are on the 5th question out of the 15 questions. Which gland is responsible for the filator or a fighter, responser? Adrenal gland, parathyroid gland, pituitary gland, or all of the above? Which gland is responsible for the fight or flight response? The perfectly correct answer is the adrenal glands, which are situated above the kidneys, and they are the ones who secrete the adrenal glands. Perfect. Oh, all the people over here has given this correct answer. Yes, and we have Nirmai Sethi giving us the fastest answer and also maintaining the first position, followed by Mir Rizwan, Anshita, Hardik, Kanishk, Sunny, Ahmed Raiz, Mahmood, Lola, Santosh, and great Adarsh at the top 10 on the leaderboard. Congratulations. Moving on to the 6th question for today. The animal body has 2 levels of coordination, and what are they? Chemical and mental, nervous and cellular, and nervous and chemical. We already know that our body contains the nervous system. What is the other level at which the body coordinates? Last 10 seconds. Everybody who is new, you can join us on Menti using the code 73306688. And the correct answer is nervous and chemical, guys, because nervous system is all about brain, spinal cord, neurons. And abhi humne kya padha? Abhi humne hormones padha. And what are hormones? Hormones are nothing but chemicals, right? So they are also helping in coordination of our body. They are helping in growth of our body. And therefore the correct answer is nervous and chemical. Let's see the leaderboard. Oh, this is almost a game changer. Hi Simori, hello, what's up? Everything is amazing, but please join us on Menti. So we have Nirmai Sethi, Anshita Gupta, Mir Rizwan, Hardik Bisht, Kanishk, Sunny, Ahmed Raiz Mahmood, Nazli, Lola, and Santosh are the top 10 on the leaderboard. Nirmai, you deserve an high five, dear. Congratulations, you're maintaining your first position and also giving us the fastest answer. Very good. The 7th question for today. Almost we are at the 50-50 mark. Everybody who is new, you can join us on Menti using the code 73306688. Why is iodine needed in the body? Why is iodine needed in the body? 15 people have already answered in less than 15 seconds. That is brilliant. Last 5 seconds. Perfect answers. Iodine helps in synthesis of thyroxine. Without iodine, there is no secretion, and if there is deficiency of iodine, we might suffer through goiter. Right? Perfect. So we have Nirmai Sethi, Anshita Gupta, Mir Rizwan, Hardik Bisht, Kanishk Nazli, Lola, Santosh Sunny, and Ahmed Raiz Mahmood are the top 10 on the leaderboard. And Santosh M has given us the fastest answer. Congratulations, buddy. Moving on to the next question for today. And let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Imagine a deer being chased by a cheetah in the wild. Which of the following effects are produced by secretion of this hormone in the body? First, you have to guess which hormone this is. There might be more than one answer. There might be more than one answer to this question. The correct answers are increased heart rate, increased breathing rate, and increased blood supply to skeletal muscles are all the things that happen whenever adrenaline is secreted in our body. Yes, so let's see the leaderboard. Good work, everybody. So we have Nirmai Sethi, Mir Rizwan, Anshita Gupta, Hardik, Kanish Nazli, Lola, Santosh, Ahmed, and Sunny are the top 10 on the leaderboard. And Ahmed is fighting all his might to come back into the first position. So he has given us the fastest answer. Perfect. Let's move on to the next question. The 9th question for today. The stored form of glucose in liver or muscles is called as what? Glycogen, glucogen glycolysis, or gluconeogenesis. What is the stored form of glucose in liver or muscles called as? Last 10 seconds. Time's up. The absolutely correct answer is glycogen. The excess of glucose in our body is stored in our body in the form of glycogen. Perfect. Oh no. So we have Mir Rizwan on the first position, followed by Anshita, Hardik, Nirmai, Kanishk, Lola, Santosh, Nazli, Adarsh, and the great Adarsh are the top 10 on the leaderboard. Santosh has given us the absolute fastest answer. Congratulations. Let's move on to the 10th question for today out of the 15 questions that we'll be doing. Which of the following endocrine glands are not present in pairs? Testis, adrenal glands, pituitary, or ovary? "16 people have already answered. 17 people, 18 people have already answered in less than 15 seconds. Beautiful, and everybody has voted already. And the correct answer is pituitary. Amazing. So see guys, testes, how many testes are present? 2 testes are present. There's a pair of testes, right? So we already have a pair. Adrenal is present in both the kidneys, so it's a pair. Ovaries, one pair of ovaries present in the human and female reproductive system, so that is also existing in pairs, but we only have one pituitary gland, and therefore the correct answer is pituitary. Very, very, very amazing. Let's see the leaderboard. So we have me, Rizwan, Anshita Gupta, Hardik Bisht, Nirmai, Kanishk, Lola, Santosh, Nazli, Adarsh, and the great Adarsh are the top 10 on the leaderboard. And Anshita has given us the fastest answer. Congratulations, buddy. Everybody who is new, you can still join on Menti using the code 73306688, just for the fun of it. Identify which of the following statements about thyroxine is incorrect. Sorry. I have given you more time. You have 45 seconds, so make sure you're not you're reading the options very amazingly well, and you're not messing up. Last 5 seconds. Kanish, you are performing absolutely amazing. Wow, majority of you have given us the absolute correct answer. Iron is essential for the synthesis of thyroxine. That is wrong. No Super King Vishesh. She was supposed to find incorrect, not correct. So we have me, Rizwan, Anshita Gupta, Hardik Bisht, Kanishk, Lola, Nirmai Sethe, Santosh, Nazli, Sara, and Sunny are the top 10 on the leaderboard. And the fastest answer is given to us by Sunny. Hi, Sunny. Let's move on to the next question. The 12th question for today. And let's go. Whoever has not joined us on Menti, you can give the answers in the comment section also. Select the mismatched pair. Select the mismatched pair. You have 13 seconds, or 10 seconds only. Time's up. Majority of you have given us the absolute correct answer. Adrenaline is not secreted by the pituitary gland but by the adrenal glands. Perfect answer. Testis secretes testosterone. Ovary secretes estrogen. Thyroxine is secreted by the thyroid gland. Perfect. Let's see the leaderboard. So we have me, Rizwan, Anshita Gupta, Hardik Bisht, Lola, Nirmai, Kanish, Santosh, Nazli, Sara, and Sunny are the top 10 on the leaderboard. Congratulations. And Nirmai is trying the best to get back on first. And he has given us the absolute fastest answer. Perfect. Or is it she, Nirmai? Third last question for today. Dwarfism results why? Dwarfism. Last 10 seconds. Absolute perfect answer. Less secretion of growth hormone leads to dwarfism. Excess secretion of growth hormone leads to gigantism. That is very, very, very big height. Yes. Mir Rizwan, Anshita Gupta, Hardik Bisht, Lola, Nirmai, Kanishk, Santosh, Nazli, Sara, and Sunny are the top 10 on the leaderboard. And Nirmai has again given us the fastest answer. Congratulations. The second last question for today, as we are coming to the end of the session. The hormone which increases the fertility in males is called as what? Estrogen, testosterone, insulin, or growth hormone? Come on, everybody. Hi, Vimla Chaudhary. We do that in the Unacademy app. So if you want to hear that, you can join us on the special class that is happening at 7 p.m. tonight. Absolutely correct answer. The correct answer is testosterone, and most of you have given the correct answer. Let's see. So we have Mir Rizwan, Anshita Gupta, Hardik Bisht, Lola, Nirmai, Santosh, Nazli, Kanishk, Sara, and Sunny are the top 10 on the leaderboard. And Nirmai and Nazli has given us the absolute fastest answer. Congratulations, buddies. Let's move on. The last question for today, the one which will tell us who the winner is. And let's go. Guys, if you're enjoying the quiz, do not forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up and share with your friends who want or might want to learn about this. Yes. And do not forget to subscribe so you get notified whenever we have these amazing things. Absolutely correct. It is 100% correct. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Let's see the final deciding leaderboard for today. Do you think it's going to change? Mir Rizwan from Kashmir has won the Menti quiz. Congratulations. Followed by Anshita Gupta, Hardik Bisht are the two top runner-ups. Followed by Lola. Then we have S. S is who? How did I forget? I think it might be Santosh, right? It's alright. So we have Lola, Santosh, Nazli, Nirmai, Kanishk, Sara, and Sunny are the top 10 on the leaderboard. Good work. Amazing efforts, everybody. And congratulations, Mir Rizwan from Kashmir. You have done amazingly well. Beautiful people. Yes. Rizwan, thank you so much for participating in Menti. And if you would like to attend amazing sessions, amazing sessions than this, do not forget we and I am available on Unacademy Plus to help you prepare for your CBSE class and the examination. You can subscribe and get 10% discount if you use the code BBLIVE10. And when I say what is plus, what is iconic, man, this is all so confusing. So let me tell you what is plus. So plus is Unacademy's platform where you get structured courses and PDFs, so you can study from that, live tests and quizzes, interactive live classes, and you get to decide who you want to learn from India's best educators on board. Yes. Similarly, we have Iconic with all the plus features. Along with it, you have your own personal mentor who guides you throughout. You get your live doubt solution session. Your parents are connected and they are told about how you're performing. So basically, you have a PTA meeting type of situation going on. And depending upon your performance, you have your own customized, specialized study planner. Yes. So we have amazing batches launching every Monday. So recently we have launched Let's Solve Numericals for 9th standard, half yearly for 10th standard. Yes. And this is what? Hi Shantanu, yes I do. So these are the polls for 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. Okay. And these are the plans for 10th, 11th, 12th. If you have I have students with 6th standard also here. So these are your plans. So if you want to go for 12 months. That covers your entire academic year. This is how much it is for Plus. This is the most sought out plan for Iconic. Similar for 10th, 11th and 12th also. So if you use the code BBLIVE10, you will get a discount of 10% on this amount. Yes, and also we are back with Unacademy Combat, which is happening on 27th of June at 11 a.m. It is a scholarship test that happens for students of 9th and 10th standard, and it is happening on 27th of June at 11 a.m. So you get the chance to win scholarships up to worth 1 crore rupees. The test is in Hindi and English both. तो अगर आप हिंदी मीडियम से हो तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, कुछ no tension जी. You can still attempt the combat scholarship test. You have 30 questions, 45 minutes, and it is a free live test that is going to happen on Android. So the link is in the description box below. Do not forget to register yourself, and while you're registering yourself, do not forget to use the code BABYLIVE10. Okay. Hi vlogs, hello. Hi Palapali, hello. Hi Khane Khan, hello. Hi Neha. Hi Advik. Hi Sarah. Okay, similarly, we have amazing batches that are going to launch on 28th of June. That is the coming Monday. And it is all about your doubt clearing sessions about maths and science. Okay. We also have courses that have just launched this Monday, which cover your English, Hindi, French, and complete social studies. What else do we require? You have free test series going on absolutely for free on the Unacademy app. You can go and enroll so you can give test on Monday, Wednesday and Friday for Math, Science and SST. We also have Plus test series, which will only be available to students of Plus, that is Unacademy Plus, and they are also happening. So what are you waiting for? And I understand not everybody of us can pay all the amount of the subscription all at once. So this is where you put the code, that is BBLIVE10. You will get 10% discount. Your credits will give you up to 10% discount. Okay, and you have the option of paying in parts or paying in EMI, where you don't have any interest, so basically zero cost EMI. And if you want to know more about this, your parents want to know more about it, they can talk to the Unacademy expert. Yes, and if you want to see more sessions before coming on to Plus, coming on board with us, so you can see a free live class that I will be taking up today, that is 23rd of June, and it is going to happen at 7 p.m. on the Unacademy app. So download the Unacademy app if you do not have it yet. Use the code BBLIVE10 and I will see you at 7 p.m. Okay. Yes. So what are you waiting for? Come and meet me on Plus. Even if you come on Iconic, I will take sessions for you. And download the Unacademy app if you have not yet, because that is in trend. And thank you so much for attending today's session. Yes, let's crack it. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the session. I hope you understood everything. And if you did so, do not forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up, like it, share it, subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you today at 6:15 p.m. in the evening on YouTube itself. Okay, till then, bye-bye. Please take care of yourself and download the Unacademy app and see me live at 7 p.m. Okay, bye-bye everybody. Please take care of yourself and I'll